Hey, this is PMR Guy, and today we're going to be doing a little bit of a review on my backup gun. This Autococker Trilogy Sport. I'm going to talk to you about some of the upgrades on here. It's got Virtue grips, feed port sight, two-piece UL barrel, and this gun isn't electric, so you can use CO2 with it, but I like nitrogen better. Stock barrel up here. The only con with this gun really is it's not electric and it's heavy as hell. So it's a decent gun. It's reliable for a backup gun, but I wouldn't recommend it as a starter gun. Alright, bye.